Welcome back, guys. So I've been wanting to do a video about this. Obviously, we've been selling this kit now for over 7 months. It's finally, we've got it back in stock, ready to go. I don't know how long they will even be in stock. So these sell out so fast. If you need one, this is the place to get it. I'll go over why on the video and go over the parts. So when you're installing, there's a little bit of info to help you along the way if you get stuck. All right. So this is everything that comes in the kit. You've got 2 lines. This line here, this fatter one, is basically going to be to adapt the Type R coolant lines to your turbo. This is the one that goes on the inlet. Now, these kits are meant for the PRL titanium inlet, okay? They are not meant for a stock turbo with titanium inlet. That you just leave your stock lines laying the way they are. You can see here on the 2 hoses, the fatter one is the Type R size, and this is the Acurardx TLX size. That's why you need these parts to work. So this goes on the turbo, and it's going to bolt right up. There's no modifying needed like other brands have been, okay? This is going to be your inlet pipe bolts. They're the correct length, as the Accord ones are too short. We include the P2R gasket, might as well, just to keep heat soaked down. These are the reducers, okay? So you run your bigger line from here to a reducer, and then this goes with the smaller hose into the other part on the coolant block and over on the head. So you need to run these, okay? Comes with all the clamps. These little bolts right here go right on here for the inlet pipe. We do these nice black ones because I just think it's a nicer look, and the factory Honda ones are expensive. Of course, you have your rear mount. You need to get one of these also because the Type R is a bigger turbo. The Accord one doesn't work. We include this little part in here. It's a little cap. You're going to notice on the 3 vacuum lines, hard metal ones off the valve cover, one is going to be exposed because there's a difference from the Type R to the Accord. We just capped the line, okay? Okay, now all these parts are going to be in this baggie here. These are all your studs for the turbo. It's just nicer, brand new hardware. You've got your gaskets for the turbo, feed, and return. The feed stays exactly the same from the Accord. You don't need to change it. Downpipe bolts, some different pins. So it comes with everything. It's got a lot of stuff. The only thing, guys, it doesn't do, our kit does not change out the evap area, okay? So basically the area from your valve cover into the coupler that you need to adapt the titanium to your PRL intake. It's super simple. It's gonna be a 5/16. The reason we don't include it in the kit is there's so many different options and ways to kind of do it. I prefer changing out the coolant line, deleting the metal pipe, just doing one hose. So just go get that hose at AutoZone. And then you can either do a breather with a cap on the coupler, or you can do this fitting here, go get that 5/16, run it into the coupler, and just do a vacuum line, basically. Super simple. There's a lot of different ways you can kind of do that setup. You could cut it, you can do hard lines, you can do soft lines. I kind of leave that up to you guys because obviously some people do different setups. The main point of this kit was getting the inlet looking like factory and getting the turbos on the car, okay? So I wanted to let you guys know that. Just make sure you have everything ready for the install. You know, burp the coolant system properly, and just check for leaks before you do stuff. Obviously, you know, you can miss things. Your gaskets, I know people don't reuse these These copper gaskets go in the feed line. They sometimes leave them out and there's oil squirting everywhere. So just be mindful. Anyways, this is a nice little video to go over these parts. I hope to see some orders. Keep supporting us. Go online, mention us. And yeah, we appreciate you all. Till next time.